Hello there, and welcome. I'm Melissa. If you're a healthcare professional watching this video, chances are you're requiring answers about lender's mortgage insurance waiver for a minimum loan deposit. As a healthcare professional, your financial life is anything but typical. We understand, because we assist industry professionals just like you from all walks of life. We've heard from our own healthcare professional clients that you prefer working with a mortgage broker who specializes in mortgages for healthcare professionals. It's the most common feedback we get from our professional clients. Conversations with first-time buyers often go similar to this: "I'm already overwhelmed. Having a broker who understands my unique situation and can navigate the complexities for me is much more appealing." Or similar to, "I need someone who understands the unique financial landscape of being a doctor. A broker with relevant and specialized knowledge of medical professional loans is far more useful to me." Given your demanding and often unpredictable work schedules, combined with the complexities of your professional finances or income structures, you value the expertise, efficiency, and personalized service that a specialized broker provides. The thought of calling multiple lenders and repeatedly explaining the nuances of your income structures is just too time-consuming. Wouldn't you agree? That's where we come in. At Neomoney, we are a specialized broker firm that understands these intricacies. We know which lenders are most favorable to healthcare professionals like you, and can streamline the entire mortgage process. For many professionals, especially first-time buyers, or those with limited time, the value of having a broker who understands your unique situation is undeniable. In short, our specialist approach provides a more efficient, tailored, and overall less stressful experience. This allows you, a healthcare professional, to focus on your patients and your time with your families, and leave the mortgage complexities to us. Now let's dive into something that could significantly benefit you as a healthcare professional: the possibility of securing a 95% loan with the lender's mortgage insurance premium, waived by the lender. It's like this: imagine you've found your dream home or investment property. Instead of saving or contributing a massive 20% deposit, with this unique loan structure, you only need to contribute 5% of the purchase price. That's a 5% deposit amount plus 2 to 3% of additional funds to cover the purchase costs. The balance of 95% of the funds are borrowed. But here's the really good news. Normally, when you borrow more than 80% of a property's value, the lender requires you to pay lender's mortgage insurance, or LMI. This protects them, not you, if you default. However, because of your profession and its stability, lenders often waive that LMI fee for eligible healthcare professionals. They actually pay the LMI for you. So, what does that all mean? It means you can get into your property sooner or increase your purchase power for a slightly higher priced property value with a smaller deposit and avoid paying thousands of dollars in LMI by not having the required 20% deposit. All you need to cover is that 5% deposit, plus the usual costs like stamp duty, or transfer duty, registration fees, and the other related expenses that come with buying a property. It's a huge advantage that can save you tens of thousands of dollars up front. Now, it's important to understand that not all lenders offer these incredible 95% loan facilities to every medico practitioner. The list of eligible professions can vary between lenders, so what applies to one lender may not apply to another. But here's some more great news. Even if that 95% loan isn't available for your specific profession, you may still be eligible for a 90% loan with the LMI waived. That means you'd need a slightly larger deposit, 10% instead of 5%, but you'd still avoid that potentially hefty LMI fee. This is where Neomoney comes in. Navigating these options can be tricky, but that's exactly what we specialize in. When you connect with us, we can quickly assess your situation and advise you on which lenders are offering these special deals for healthcare professionals like you. Keep in mind that each lender will assess each application individually, and you will need to meet income eligibility requirements. As specialist credit advisors who understand the credit landscape, we know what offers and lenders are available to you as a healthcare practitioner, plus, how to help you present your occupational advantages in the best possible light. So, let's circle back to those additional purchase costs we mentioned earlier, and why having a lower deposit and a waived LMI can really make a difference. Because the larger portion of the purchase price is covered by your loan and the lender's paying your LMI, it means you can focus your available funds on covering those essential costs that are unavoidable when buying a property. Think of it this way: it's like freeing up cash so you can handle all the other pieces of the puzzle. First, there's the stamp duty, which is also known as transfer duty. This is essentially a tax that's imposed by each state or territory when you purchase a property. The cost of stamp duty differs between states, so it's worth looking to see what that will cost. Then, there are registration fees. These are the fees you pay to the state government to register the property title into your name or names, if there are to be more than one on the title, or in a company entity if required. And of course, you'll need to factor in legal fees. This covers the cost of hiring a solicitor or conveyancer to handle all the legal aspects of the purchase, from reviewing contracts to ensuring the settlement process goes smoothly. If you need to calculate these costs, on our Neomoney website under Calculators, we have a property fee calculator which calculates these purchase costs. Finally, there are other potential purchase costs to consider. These might include things like building and pest inspections to make sure you aren't buying a money pit, strata reports, if you're buying an apartment, and other smaller search expenses which your solicitor or conveyancer can help you with. And note, they all can add up, if unaware. While these costs vary, they're all crucial, and it's so important to factor them into your purchase budget. By taking advantage of these benefits available to you, you can cover these essential costs and secure your dream property. Now, let's talk about eligibility. Who actually qualifies for these fantastic benefits? It's important to understand that these favorable conditions, like the 95% loan with waived LMI, are often specifically designed for certain medical professions. The thing is, the list of eligible occupations can vary quite a bit between lenders. It's not a one-size-fits-all situation. These kinds of offers aren't typically available across all industries. Each lender has their own specialized list of healthcare professions they cater to. So, the best way to find out if you qualify is to speak with us or your mortgage broker. We can quickly assess your situation and match you with the lenders who are most likely to offer these benefits to professionals in your field. Generally speaking, roles that are often eligible for that top-tier 95% LMI waiver include doctors, general practitioners, pharmacists, veterinarians, and specialists within their respective fields of practice, plus be registered with OPRA. For other allied health professionals, like registered nurses and midwives, there's often a very attractive 90% LMI waiver facility available. This still represents a significant saving. For a more comprehensive list of healthcare professions and the specific lender options, we've included a link in the description below. This will take you to our website, where you can explore the details further. We've made it easy for you to find out more. We know that as a busy healthcare professional, your time is incredibly valuable. If you're facing time constraints and want to explore the best financing options tailored to your specific situation, we're here to help. We understand the unique pressures you face, and we're committed to making the process as efficient and stress-free as possible. That's why we've developed a complete walkthrough of the entire finance process, outlining all the requirements and steps involved. We'll break down everything in a clear, easy-to-understand way, so you can see exactly how it all works and how it can fit into your long-term wealth-building strategy. We're happy to discuss this with you in detail, so you can feel confident and empowered every step of the way. So, whether you're serious about purchasing in the next 6 months, or even if you're planning further into the future, and you'd like to work with a team that truly understands your needs as a healthcare professional, we encourage you to reach out. Simply send us a notification or an email, and we can start the conversation. Let's work together to plan your wealth strategy with property, setting you up for a secure and prosperous future.